Buyers, are you having a hard time finding your ideal home? Did you know that many homes sell before they actually hit the open market? Our mission is to help you find the best home at the best price with the least amount of hassle. I'd like to explain our VIP buyer system to you and how the process that we use to help buyers. It's completely different than the way that other realtors sell real estate. There are big benefits of why you should look at hiring a buyer's agent to represent you when buying a home. As your VIP buyer agent, our team will help you secure the best financing at the lowest rate and terms for you. We will also help you beat out the other buyers to the best homes, and we will negotiate the lowest price and the best terms. We will meet your buying needs with the least amount of hassle to you. According to research and survey, 69% of buyers do not go back to the same agent they used before to do another transaction. Some of the reasons why are lack of communication, overpromise and underdeliver, and promise to sell and never did. Another reason is that the realtor was less experienced than they actually represented. We have so many personal guarantees to make sure everything that we say happens. Our most recent client survey says that 85.6% of our clients come back to use us for another transaction. Most agents are a one-man show with limited resources and limited time and energy, juggling several clients with very little or no help at all. With our VIP buyer system, you get a whole team of professionals working for you. We never run out of time for you because each of us are separately responsible for a specific process in your real estate transaction. Because of this, we have so much more time to spend with each and every one of our buyers. When we pull the trigger of helping you, there are 12 key systems that activate to get you the best home at the best price with the least amount of hassle. Our VIP buyer system focuses on you. We have multiple benefits to you with our VIP buyer system. Here are just a few. First, you will know exactly how much you can afford before you start looking for your home. You'll also know how much cash you're going to need and how much money you're going to need to close. You will also get the best financing, lowest rates for you, and with the most favorable term and highest quality of service that we provide. This is all results from our long standing with several of the best lenders in the area. Because of this, you're going to be able to make a stronger offer and beat out other home buyers. A pre-approval is easy as 1, 2, 3. A home loan credit report is generated by credit bureaus. Financial details are verified, which includes your income and employment. Then, as easy as that, a loan officer issues you a pre-approval. Next, the home search begins. Most realtors pick a home for you. They set you up on a random search from the multiple listing service. They may pick out 6 to 8 homes, and then they try to sell you one. With our VIP buyer system, we'll provide you with regular home updates from our home hunter service. We have properties on and off the market. We have pre-marketed homes before they ever hit the internet. We have bank foreclosures, new constructions, company-owned properties, for sale by owners, and so much more just for you. That way you can pick the homes that fit for you, and then we can go see those homes. We'll always be researching and locating properties not readily available on the internet for you. And when we find them, one or more matches, we're going to contact you. So what happens? You tell us exactly what you're looking for. We enter your criteria into our powerful computer search program. We send you regular emails with computer-generated lists that match your home buying criteria. Then you tell us what you're interested in. We investigate the properties that you choose, and we go to see them. We put you in control of this process. Our team has specialized marketing knowledge and leading edge technology to be able to do this. We'll help you prepare the offer with terms and provisions, special stipulations and amendments that are in your best interest. You will receive in writing a buyer satisfaction guarantee. What does that mean? We agree in writing to buy back your home if you're not 100% satisfied with the property that you purchase. We have so much more to show you what we do when we work with a buyer. All you've got to do now is to call or text us at 561-221-2292 to get more information and to get started.